tonight on the red carpet, I saw a braided updo that really stood out to me. So I'm going to show you how to recreate this at home. So the first thing you want to do is split your hair right at the bottom of your neck into 2 halves. Then you're going to start your braid right at the part and braid all the way down to the bottom of the neck, and then continue the braid through the lengths of the hair. So to help us along, I'm going to use a product called Braid. This is a really great product when you're braiding the hair because it's going to give you a lot of control, and if the hair is slippery, it's going to give you some grip as well. So to start your braid, you're going to split it into 3 sections, and your sections are going to go under versus going over. Next, you're going to secure it with a rubber band. Then you're going to do the same exact thing on the opposite side. So I'm going to cross these 2 braids over each other and then wrap them in a bun. So to create some extra volume, I'm going to use my tail comb to slightly lift the braid right at the top of the head. So to finish this off and hold it in place, I'm going to use Fashion Work 12 and just lightly mist it all over. For an added finishing touch, you can add an accessory. I'm loving this braided updo. It's definitely a look that I would wear on or off the red carpet.